is his or her problem. Good morning once again. Good morning to all of you. Our class will start at 9:30. So we will wait 1 or 2 minutes. Then we will start our class. And children, I want to do one announcement. From today onwards, your HRM period is from 12:20 to 12:30. 12:20 to 12:30 is your HRM period, which is compulsory for everyone to attend. And as I think you all got your reading slots. Your reading timing will start from 12:30 to 12:50 according to the slots given to you all. So HRM timing has changed. It's from 12:20 to 12:30, and reading slots according to the slots given to you, it is from 12:30 to 12:50. And English reading will be in the classroom, your 5B classroom, and Hindi reading will be, if you have your Hindi reading day, according to the timetable of reading slot which is given to you, your Hindi reading will be in activity class. Got it, children? Hindi reading and English reading. English reading in classroom, Hindi reading will be in activity class. And HRM timing is, homeroom time is from 12:20 to 12:30. Reading slot timing is from 12:30 to 12:50. This is some interchange has done in the timing. So please take a note of this, everyone. Yes, somebody has raised his hand. Let me check. Please.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning. I request you all, please always join your class on time. At 9:30 sharp, the class will start. So it's 9:30. I will start my class now. Okay. Children, as you all know that we were, open your notebooks. Open your notebooks where you have made the time table, where you have made the table of international number system. Ekans, you have missed your 2 classes. I request you to please complete your work and send me in the classroom.
Yes, ma'am. International or Indian?
International. Please open the page where, yes, Ekans?
I have sent you in the classroom a mail.
Classroom. No mail. I don't want any work in mail. Open the table where you all have made the international number system table. I am making it again to explain you. You no need to make it again. You just see international number system or international place value chart. International place value chart. You no need to make. I am making for you all. Wait a minute, children. Let me take the attendance.
Ma'am, this now?
Who is saying?
Vedi Salya.
Vedi, wait a minute. Yes, this international system. Okay. Let me pin on you. Let me pin on you. And let me check. No, ones, thousands, and lakhs, crores. This is Indian system. International system also we have prepared. So it is ones, tens, 100. This period is called which period? Ones.
Ma'am, ones, tens, 100 is called ones.
This period is called ones period.
Ones.
Okay. After ones period, which period will start?
Thousand.
So it is
1,000, 10,000 and 100,000.
Yes, 100.
after 1,000 period, which period will start?
Million.
1 million.
So after
tell me the periods, tell me the places.
Million, 10 million, and 100 million. Million, 10 million, 100 million, 100 million.
Okay. And you all know this is the table and all the families. There are how many periods total? 3 periods.
Three.
1,000 and million. And how many? Rudra Master? One's period has how many places?
3.
Lakshya, 1,000 places is how 1,000 places having how many places?
3.
1,000 period. Sorry, 1,000 period is having 3 places.
100,000, 10,000, and
Darya,
1,000.
very good. Darya, millions period is having how many places?
3 million, 10 million, and 100 million.
Very good. Now, according to this, I will give you one sum. You need to put the comma. Right? Question number 1. Right? Index. Prepare the index. Open your index. Open your index first. Which heading? Darya, this is the 3rd serial number. Darya,
Yes, third one.
3rd serial number. So, and in title, write. In title, write reading and writing numbers according to reading and writing. Yes.
Ma'am, I can't see you.
Ma'am, the title is too big. It won't fit in the title box.
If it is using 2-3 lines, it's okay. If it is using 2-3 lines, the title is using, then it's okay.
Ma'am, can you write the title again?
Yeah, I'm writing. Reading. Yash, you please log out and log in again.
And what is the title?
Ma'am, they said it 2 times.
Ma'am, can you tell once again what's the title? Ma'am, you froze. Ma'am? Ma'am, you are hang. Ma'am, you are stuck. Ma'am, you are. Ma'am, you are.
Now, am I audible to you all?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What's the title?
Nishika, I'm writing title on my board. Okay. I am writing now. Am I audible, Nishika, to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'm writing the title from the beginning. Start writing. Okay. The title is, yes, in index. Reading and writing number according to international place value chart. Dhairesh Shillai, are you able to write it? दिख रहा है आपको? ध्यान शिल्लई, sorry.
Yes.
ध्यान?
Yeah.
International reading and writing number according to international place value chart. Or you can write according to international place value system.
Ma'am, it won't be able to fit.
If it is taking 2-3 lines, it's okay. Next topic will or next serial number also will start after once it completes. उसके बाद में ही next serial number and next topic will start. Okay. Got it? Everyone wrote this? I will go fast, children. Please pay attention and complete it on time.
It is too big, so it is taking too time.
Reading and writing number according to international place value chart. Now, those who have completed this, they open the new. Yes, there.
So in the new page, we have to write the topic topic there?
Again, yeah, this topic again on the new page. Write date. Write this. Write C.W. Write today's date, which is 5/4/21, and write this topic again on the new page. This was first you were writing in the index, then again copying the same topic in your new page. Aryaman, are you doing? Aryaman.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, you are. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Vedi, you facing any difficulty?
Yes, ma'am. But which notebook?
Which subject you are in, maths notebook?
Yes, I'm writing max notebook.
Yes, yes. Please do fast.
Okay.
Ma'am, where is I need to write the topic?
Ma'am, the title should be below the red line.
Yes,
Right?
topic is below the red line. Every day, don't ask the same, which is already explained in the first class. The topic, when you write on the new page, below the red line. Write C.W towards your right hand corner. Left hand corner, date. Now I am right.
Ma'am,
Yes, yes, Nishika.
I forgot to write it written upstairs of the red line. Is it
It's okay. Okay. Next time, take care. I'm going to erase this topic. Now you can copy this topic later on also on your main page. Now the first question is question number 1. Write.
connecting
No, wait.
page?
Yes, Samriddhi. Put comma.
Yeah.
Samriddhi, you are not audible to me. Put comma. This is the first question. No. Put comma and put comma according to the.
Ma'am, now you can hear.
Yes. Put comma according to the. Samriddhi, index topic is done. You need to go. Still, you're facing difficulty in your network. Still, your voice is not clear. Samriddhi, log out and log in again. Wait a minute. Let me take the attendance again. Put comma according to the international place value system. So I will write one name, a number 9024716. Yes, Samriddhi.
Yeah, ma'am.
Samriddhi, still I am not able to hear you. I am facing difficulty to hear you, please. 9024716. This is the whole number. Again, write.
Ma'am, can you able to send in classroom?
No. Please start copying. Start writing in the class.
Okay.
I will not send anything in the classroom. Put comma according to the international place value system. And this is the number. Now you need to write this number again and put the comma according to international system. First you write the number again. Twisha, tell me how I will put the comma now.
Ma'am, we will leave 3 from back.
Yes, 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma.
Yes.
Because in international system, all periods have 3 members in their family. If here 2 is left, so now no comma will come. Write fast.
2 minutes, I am writing.
Ma'am, in new page, na?
The new page which you are using from the beginning, today's class में जो आप use कर रही हो ना new page, उसमें लिखो.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I have a doubt. Ma'am, if in this number I want to read it, so it will be like this: 90 million to
I will
200.
come. Ayush, I will come on that also, how to read and how to write. Today's topic is that only, how to read and how to write the number.
Ma'am, I have done it. Is right.
Let me win. It is not coming clearly, it's coming blurred little bit.
Ma'am, wait
Please
a
check.
minute.
Please check from the board, Daria. Daria, please check from the board. Can I go to the next question now? Now you know how to put the comma. Okay. Children, now you know how to put the comma according to the international system. Now I will write one number. Now I write one number and you tell me how you will read it according to the international system. The number is 4. Wait a minute. The number is.
Ma'am, we have to say. We have to write a question.
No. Till the other children are writing 1, I am explaining the 2 here. If the number is 5, 9, 3, 4, 0, 3. So if the number is this one, I have put it in the place value chart, in the international place value chart. Ayush, will you try how we will read this number?
Yes, ma'am, I can. It should be 304,395.
Yes. 300, not 100,000. Ayush, mute your mic. Yes, Kevna.
Ma'am, can I ask you if we have to make the chart or we just understand?
I have already explained the chart earlier. I think it is there in your notebook. No need to make it again.
We have to understand.
Yes. So if the number is this one, how you will read it according to the place value chart, international place value chart, international. No, just pay attention here and listen.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Children, half of the time will go like this only. There, when I will write another sum, then you give me answer because this is already given by Ayush. So 300, not 100,000, 300, 4,300 again, 95. This way we will write the number name of this number. Am I clear? We will read them according to their places. 300, 4,000. If there is also one more number is here, 6. So we will read it like this: 364,000, because now 2 numbers are coming here. 64,300 again, 95. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I'm writing the question number 2.
No, ma'am, Ma'am,
I was telling from the beginning, write fast. If I do one sum in the whole period, how it will go?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I have a doubt.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, my tuition ma'am is saying in international numbers, that commas, we have in international we have to leave three numbers and then we have to put comma.
So your tuition teacher is telling that thing, and I am telling that same thing after three places. Have you understood this, Anya?
No, I'm not understanding this thing.
Same only after counting the three values from the back, you need to put the comma.
Okay, okay. From back, I'm doing from front.
No, this is wrong. You need to do from your right hand side.
Okay.
Write the number name in international system.
Ma'am, can you last
What last, Vedi? Tell me what last. Tell me full thing. पूरा बोलो क्वेश्चन, क्या पूछना चाह रही हो?
मैम तो लास्ट में प्लीज आप क्वेश्चन 1 लिखोगे.
माय डियर, ओके, आप ये करो कंप्लीट, बाद में देखते हैं क्वेश्चन 1 का. फास्ट लिखोगे आप सेकंड क्वेश्चन. राइट द नंबर नेम इन इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम. आई एम राइटिंग वन नंबर हियर. 1,87,819. तो जब भी आपके पास नंबर है, सॉरी वेट, जब भी आपके पास नंबर है, यू गॉट द नंबर, यू फर्स्ट शॉर्ट में आप उसके ऊपर उसकी प्लेसेस लिख दोगे. दिस इज वंस, टेंस, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, and what will come after 100,000? Million. So इसका number name, what will be the number name, Khevna?
Ma'am, the number name will be 1,800,000
No, 800. 76,000. Yeah, 800.
76,000
800.
76,000
76,000.
819
800 एंड वर्ड हम नंबर नेम्स में नहीं यूज करते, तो इट विल
819
119. 19. What is the spelling of 19 there?
NIN
NIN
NTE
NINETEEN 19.
yeah.
So write this in your notebooks fast.
Ma'am, I cannot see. I can only see in first line 1,000,000.
Now check.
Ma'am, it is okay.
Pin on my board screen. Always, whenever the number is given to you and they are asking write the number name, please put their places on the top. So we will read this number as 1,876,819.
Ma'am, your screen is blurred. Your screen is blurred. Yes, ma'am.
1 or 2 seconds it will. Now check.
No, ma'am, it's still blurred.
it's proper.
And now it's okay.
Within 1 or 2 seconds it go like this and then it will come properly.
Ma'am, what we have to write in index?
Okay, I will write it here again, index. Reading and writing. Samriddhi, is it visible to you?
Ma'am, please sum up. Sum it will be up because it's not visible.
reading and writing. This is the topic for your new page also, and this is the topic for the index also. Reading and writing numbers according to international.
Ma'am, is this question 3?
This is index. She has requested to write the index and the topic again. There is no question 3 till now. Reading and writing numbers according to international number system. According to international number system. Or according to international place value chart. Though both are things same. Clear, Samriddhi, now? This is your index. This is your topic of the day. Then I have done 2 sums. First, we have done how to put the comma. Second, we have done how to write it. Okay.
I have tried all the things.
Can I start?
Yes.
Okay. These are the 2 sums of the day. Now, open your textbook, page number 1. Page number 1 in your textbook. Everyone, please open.
fish tail.
Yes. Chapter number 1 is about what it is given.
Book.
Open your textbook,
Ma'am, it's
page
about
number
fish.
1.
Ma'am, it's about fishes.
It's about fishes. So what do you think? Are we going to learn EVS in this? Are we going to learn about the fishes in this?
No, ma'am, we are going to learn the cell amount of them.
One by one. There, yes, tell me.
We are going to learn in this cell amount of them.
How to sell them, how to purchase them, what is the weight. Mute all your mics, please. Ayush, mute your mic.
Ma'am, what is the weight of ma'am? What is the weight of them? Which is the biggest fish? Which is the smallest fish?
Yes, mute your mic. Let me listen what Vedi is saying. Yes, Vedi, what are you telling me? Vedi, if I wait 2-3 minutes for you, the whole mic is mute. Vedi, your mic is mute.
First chapter is about.
Yes, Arna?
Ma'am, our first chapter is about shapes, na?
It's about, who's this? Nishika, sit properly. Nishika,
Ma'am?
sit properly, yes. This chapter, everyone ready with the text? Karnav, open your textbook, page number 1. Fish tail.
Ma'am,
Everyone please open. I will instruct what to do there. Wait a minute. Once your doubt is not clear within the period, then you turn on your mic and talk to the teacher.
Ma'am,
Yes, Rahil.
from side, please.
Page number 1, the fish tail. Yes, Twisha, can you please read this? What is written here?
The fish tail. Deep under the sea, see the lovely color fish swimming peacefully. This special poem in 3 lines is called a haiku.
Haiku. No, haiku.
Okay, haiku. Such poems are about nature, are popular in Japan. Here is another haiku. The lake.
See, wait a minute, Twisha. See, I will also show you here one. Is this visible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Today, we are going to start our chapter 1, that is the fish tail. Are you all ready? So let's start with a poem on fish. I want you to recite with me. Deep under the sea, See the
Ma'am, the video is paused.
Ma'am, your mic is muted.
Okay. Say along with me. Deep under the sea.
Deep
Under
under the
the
sea, under the sea,
Yes. Listen
Deep
now.
under the sea.
See the lovely colored fish.
see the lovely colored fish
Swimming peacefully.
swimming peacefully.
Swimming peacefully.
Now mute your mic. Now listen here.
बोल AM
Yes, please mute your mic. Now listen here. Children, when you read this, you think that this is incomplete, right? But this is not incomplete. This is a complete poem. This is very much popular in Japan. These poems are called the haiku. What it is called? Haiku.
Haiku.
And these are generally about nature. This is about what?
Nature.
Nature. You all know what nature is?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Samriddhi will tell us. Samriddhi, what do you understand by the word nature?
Ma'am, nature is surroundings. What is surroundings like good nature,
Trees,
trees,
ocean, plants.
sun.
Right. Yes. So these poems are about the nature. Wait a minute.
lovely colored fish swimming peacefully. Yes, maybe many of you will think that it is not completed, but this is a very short poem known as haiku. Such poems about nature are popular in Japan. I want you to try and write one such small poem on fish. Can you all try this? Now we will move on to our next topic, that is basic shapes. Children, do you know what are basic shapes? Yes, for example, square, triangle, rectangle, etc. Maybe you are curious to know that why we are doing this. We are going to draw fish with the help of some basic shapes. Are you all ready to learn?
Yes.
See, children, check how they are showing you to make the fishes with the help of the basic shapes.
Ma'am, we have to make it.
No, not right now. I will send the worksheet based on this, then you will make it in that. You just have to see how they are making and showing you to make the.
Can take one fish on basic shape.
Ma'am, I can make just with a square and a triangle.
You can make with the triangle, using circle, using oval. Mute yourself. Mayush, please mute your mic. Ayush, why I need to remind you again and again to mute your mic?
So, here I am showing you how to draw fish with some basic shapes.
Ma'am, camera, your mic off.
Both the mics are on. When it will show how drawing, then it will not speak.
In this slide, you have given a frame based on sea theme. In this, I want you to show your creativity and draw some of the sea creatures with some basic shapes. Now,
This worksheet is visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
No,
ma'am.
it's just an activity.
Okay, wait a minute.
Just showing activity.
Wait a minute. I will stop my presentation. I will again start my presentation and show you all.
Deep under the sea, see the lovely color.
Mute your mic, Twisha. See, this is your today's worksheet which I will post in the classroom. Write a short poem, haiku. Haiku are the short poems which are popular in Japan, and haiku is about the nature, the poems which are about the nature. If somebody asks you what is haiku, haiku is a short poem. Listen now. Yes, Nishika.
We have to write a notebook or in the worksheet.
I will explain everything. Wait. Okay. So haiku, listen at what I am explaining you. Haiku is a short poem. These are very popular in Japan, and these poems are based on nature. So one you have already seen in your textbook. One I am showing you here. The lake calm, smooth, still. A fish jumps up and returns. Ripples shake the lake. This is also one haiku. Now you also try to write one haiku based on the fishes, right, and nature. So this worksheet you will do in notebook, not in worksheet. You will write the question also, only this much question. No need to write this haiku because this is just for your reference. You have to make your own haiku, your own short poem based on nature, and you try to include the word fishes. Fishes के बारे में होनी चाहिए, right? That you write in the notebook, not in the worksheet. And here are some basic shapes: triangle, rectangle, circle, oval. You use these shapes and draw fishes. This also you will do in your notebook, not in worksheet. Am I clear? This complete worksheet you will do in your notebook. Am I clear to everyone? And please, when you are wait, when you are drawing something in the notebook, draw with the pencil.
Ma'am, we have to do all the shapes or only any three or one?
As much as you can. Okay, as much as you can. जितनी भी shapes use करके आप बना सकते हैं fishes, उतनी use करके बनाइए, and that also in the notebook.
Okay, ma'am.
One short poem based on the nature, based on fishes. Please draw it. I will send this video also in the classroom, as well as I will attach the worksheet also in the classroom. Worksheet you will do in the notebook. Yes, Dharya.
And with that worksheet, when we send, we have to send today's classwork also, right?
Yeah, no, that is homework. Write homework, HW, and I will post it in the classroom, that attach your homework here. But when I will post the worksheet, there only you will attach your work.
Okay,
with putting the homework. Okay. So I'm done with the today's class, children. Thank you. Please leave.
Bye, ma'am.